Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee Express. At ang sender natin ay si Arrow Hardware.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So ayan, unboxin natin guys. Nakabubble wrap pa talaga guys. So guys, si seller is legit. Ito yung magnetic screw para sa impact wrench.
Oh my God! Wow!
Legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.